Hello everyone. I'm here to discuss the topic conditional sentences. In conditional sentences, we use these words if, unless, otherwise, even if. What is a conditional sentence? When some statements are made, there can be various consequences which we may be aware of or we may not be aware of. Thus, when we make statements, there are known results or hypothetical, or we can say unreal results depending on the situations. So, let us start with the use of the word if. When we talk, we expect certain results and accordingly we use the words. These words are called conditional sentences. Let us take the example of if. If you work hard, you will pass. This sentence can be divided into two parts. The first part is if you work hard, second part is you will pass. Now, the first part can be said to represent the action. If you work hard, that is, action required is to work hard. The result will be you will pass. That is, the second part tells about the expected result. So, in order to get the success, we need to work hard. Now, let us see the same sentence in different way. If you will not work hard, you will not pass. This sentence is also divided into two parts. If you will not work hard, this is the first part, and you will not pass, this is the second part. So, this second part is a kind of negative sentence that indicates warning that if there is no action of working hard, the result will be the failure. So, this, this also can be said in one more form. Unless you work hard, you will not pass. Now, the word unless represents the meaning if not. So, if action is not done, if hard work is not done, the result is failure or not passing. Thus, the word unless tells it is the negative meaning, which means if not. When the action is not done, the result is failure. Thus, we see the use of unless in negative situation or when certain warning is given. So, the use of unless tells a situation when someone is warned or given hint or sometimes scolded for not doing their work properly, then that is, they do not perform the required action. The result is that they do not get the desired result. Now, let us see the another word otherwise. Before we understand otherwise, let us see the examples. Here, the example is we must tell the truth to them. Otherwise, they will not forgive. That is, that is that certain desired action is to be done. In case the action is not done, that is when we do not tell the truth, the result is something different. That is, if we do not tell the truth to them, the result is that they are not going to forgive us. In these situations, we use the word otherwise. Thus, otherwise is used in the conditions that when required action is not done, the desired result cannot be achieved, or there is the negative result. So, we use the word otherwise. Now, otherwise means if this doesn't happen, otherwise means if this doesn't happen, that is another example we take, that if I am on time, I can catch the bus. In case I am not on the time, then I will not be able to get the bus. That is, when the desired result, desired action is not done, the result is not the expected one. The result is otherwise. Thus, it means that if you do not reach on time, you won't get the bus. In this case, that is in the use of otherwise indicates that you did not do the required action of being on time, so you missed the bus. Now, let us see the use of even if. Even if is used in the case of imaginary situation. It is also used for unreal situation. Now, let us clear what is the use of even if. Look at this sentence. I will go to school even if I am sick. That is, we imagine in case I am not well, then also I will go to school. That is, there is an hypothetical situation. Though I am well now, in case I get sick, I'll still go to school. That is, it is unreal situation. I am not sick, but I am imagining that by chance if I fall sick, still I'll go to school. So, whatever is the situation, whether I am well or I am sick, I'll definitely go to school. That means, irrespective of the situation, I'll perform the action. So, another example we'll see here, that I'll not, even if he asks me sorry, I'll not forgive him. Even if he asks me sorry, I'll not forgive him. The person has not asked sorry, but still I am not going to forgive him. That is, it is the hypothetical situation. Actually, the person has not asked sorry, but I imagine that in case he asks the sorry, I'll not forgive him. So, the situation is hypothetical. The situation is unreal. It has not actually taken place, but I imagine. So, in this case, I use the, the even if phrase. Thus, we saw the use of these four words in unconditional sentences. Even if, otherwise, unless, if. With this, we end the lecture. I hope you found this lecture useful. Thank you, everyone.